What you're not changing, you're choosing.
What you're not changing, you're choosing.
You got something you complaining about and you're not changing it. Could be your relationships, your body, your health, your job. You're choosing it.
Nothing changes if nothing changes. You have to take a different route. In order to get something different, you have to completely shift what you've been doing so far.
It's all up to you.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brenda Okolocha. You can call me Melu, short for Chime Melu. Yeah, I'm Igbo from Anambra State, Nigeria, and I'm a Nigerian based YouTuber. Today's content is a cleaning motivational content. Okay guys, I am rebranding my YouTube channel, and that doesn't mean that I will stop posting hair care videos. No, I will still be posting hair care videos. Obviously, that's one of the major reasons I opened my YouTube channel, but I don't want to stop the part of me that loves to post lifestyle content and vlogs. So guys, I am rebranding my YouTube channel. Okay, I am rebranding this YouTube channel. Although I'll create a chit chat video, more like a sit down video, talking to you all about it. And I also created another YouTube channel where I'll be talking about finance and YouTube growth. In case you want to grow here on YouTube, trust me, I know that it looks difficult. I know that YouTube is not for the faint-hearted. Yeah, we all get that, but this there's a cheat code to it, and I'm willing to share. So I will put the link for the YouTube channel I created in the comment section so that you can click subscribe and wait for the first video I want to talk to you all to drop. So guys, over here on this my main channel, it's gonna be lifestyle content, hair care content, and fashion content. For the fashion content, that doesn't mean that I'm going to be posting in-depth fashion content. It's basically how to look good. Okay, look polished, smell good. I just want to start putting myself together. I have been putting myself together, but I need to make more efforts. Yeah, that's just the thing. I need to make more effort. I need to look the part. A lot of my friends have told me this, and even some of my family members, even I have told myself when I look at myself at the mirror, I'll be like, Brenda, you need to do better. Okay, the new year coming up is not, you can't afford to be the same Brenda that you are in 2023 and 2024. You need to start revamping yourself, revamping your social media handles, which is why I really love to document the entire process here on YouTube. You guys, YouTube is like my digital diary. Okay, there's sometimes I look back at the videos that I created 2 years ago, maybe on TikTok, on Instagram, or even here on YouTube, and I'll be like, wow, Chinimil, this is how far you have come. And there's sometimes I would doubt myself. I'll be like, oh, I've not really done much. And when I look back at these videos, it's actually kind of calms me down and make me remember that I have achieved something over the years. I can remember when I created a video, I came here on YouTube, I was ranting about something, I think something concerning education. I was still in school back then, and I was so tired of staying at home. ASU strike, students staying at home, I'm not going to school. I still had 1 more year to go. I couldn't wait to finish school, and guys, now I am serving. I'm a graduate of Ahmadu Bello University, and I have moved from Zaria to Abuja. And guys, I'm very sure a lot of opportunities are waiting for me out there. It's now left for me to grab it. Okay, so if you haven't created your vision board for 2025, please do. It will really guide you on the things, on the path, on the on the road you are to follow to achieve all you want to achieve next year. Don't even wait until 2025 before you start creating your vision board. Start now and start making effort to achieve those things. It just depends on how you put in the effort, how you trust God, have faith in God. All right, I'm sorry for those of you that don't believe in God. I'm a big fan of God. I am his baby. I'm Jesus baby. Okay, so that's why I love to speak about God, because it's God that brought me this far. So you guys will be seeing a lot of lifestyle videos and more hair care videos and DIY videos. Okay, so I'll be switching in between. Let's say now that I've dropped a vlog, cleaning vlog, the next video coming up will be a hair care video. Next will be lifestyle content, something like that. And I'll try as much as possible to be consistent. Yeah, the more consistent I am, the more YouTube will actually push out these videos to the right audience and not just create list or subscribers. I really want to build community here. I am more interested in building my community than just getting subscribers that that don't really engage or that don't really respond. So that is it, loves, and I'll leave you guys with the remaining videos. I'm also on Instagram and TikTok. The handle is the Brenda Okolocha. As for Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, I'm not really active on those platforms. It's just Instagram and TikTok for now. I may be active on the other platforms in the nearest future. I don't know yet, but we'll see about it. Okay, I don't want to put my hands into so many things that I can't keep up with. So that's why I'm sticking to Instagram and TikTok for now. Okay, and a little explanation of what I've been doing in this video is that I started cleaning the house, more like cleaning the sitting room area. Yeah, I'm helping my sister because that's her portion of the house to clean. Okay, I'm helping her, and I just offered to help her because I enjoy cleaning spaces. Cleaning is kind of therapeutic to me, and that's because there's sometimes that if I want to clear my head, I just look for a dirty spot around the house and clean. I don't know if I'm the only person that does this. If that makes me weird, let me know in the comment section. Although on that Saturday morning, my people actually went for a wedding, of which I didn't want to attend, and that's because I had a lot of work to do for my brand, for my YouTube channel. That was when I was actually planning to rebrand my YouTube channel and finally made up my mind on what I want to start doing coming up. Yeah, and also attended to customers. Yeah, created a lot of content that day, which was last week Saturday, by the way. So guys, I didn't show the part where I swept, mopped. I was very tired, so I just didn't feel the need to vlog that part, because vlogging is another work that people think is not actually work. Vlogging is work. It's just that you have fun while doing that. That's actually what I want to do. Okay, the moment I start feeling burnt out, I'll take a little break and come back to vlogging. So you guys are going to be seeing more of cleaning videos, more of outdoor content. I really want to explore Abuja, and when I was in Zaria, I used to come to Abuja to visit. Now that I'm based in Abuja, I think it's high time I start exploring Abuja a little bit. So stay tuned. Events are going to be coming up by God's grace, and hoping brand sponsorship will be coming up too. I'm open to brand sponsorship, brand collaboration, and also collaboration with my own fellow content creators. You guys, like I said, I really want to spread my wings. You never can tell where the opportunity will come from, the opportunity that will make me a millionaire. So guys, let's try and create this community, please, and do well to subscribe if you're new here. I will leave you all with a music. I don't know for now the kind of music that may jam with my YouTube channel. It all depends on YouTube copyright. and I don't want to get a copyright strike. So I'll put something that doesn't have a copyright strike while I work on my kind of music coming up on other vlogs. Okay, so see you all later, coming up very soon. And yeah, stay blessed. Bye. Love you guys.
Trying hard to, but can't even breathe. A little bit of oxygen is all we need. A little bit of mind control is what you need. See what they love, but it's just in a rush. See what they love, but it's just in a rush. Leave it to love, answer my call, put my text in the trap. Zoom out it, wasn't enough to receive all of the love, but it's just in a rush.